So today is the day that I look forward to all year. That's right, it's Ryobi Days 2024. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. So with that said, let's get dirty. Now, if you're not familiar with it, Ryobi Days is a promotional time where you get to buy a battery pack, which usually comes with 2 or 3 batteries, and you get to pick a tool for free. Now, there are 2 different types of battery packs that you can buy. You can buy the $99 one, which comes with a 4 amp battery and a 2 amp battery, or you can pick the $199 one, which comes with 2 4 amp batteries and 1 2 amp batteries. Now, each battery pack you buy will give you access to picking a certain tool for absolutely free. So for example, I bought the $99 one. I got to pick this grinder for free. And then I bought 2 of the $199 ones. So I got to pick the finish nailer and the cutoff tool for free. So here's a list of tools that are available with the purchase of the $99 battery set. Going from left to right, you have the wet dry hand vac, 4.5-inch angle grinder, shear shrubber, clamp speaker, quarter sheet sander, jigsaw, multi-tool, and reciprocating saw. Here's the tools that are available with the purchase of the $199 battery pack. You have the 6.5-inch circular saw, 3-inch cutoff tool, 3/8-inch impact wrench, 1/2-inch hammer drill, pruning shears, an 18-gauge brad nailer, and new this year is the stick vacuum. Now the bad. All right, so it's not terrible, but my store didn't have the display set up in its entirety. So everything that I needed, I had to ask for, and they had to go find, which, put me a little bit longer in Home Depot than I wanted to be. So it's not terrible, and you may or may not run into this, but just allot yourself a little bit extra time just in case your store isn't set up like mine wasn't. And the other thing is that none of the associates really knew anything about this. So I ended up being the one that was answering all the questions for the customers that came in and were wondering what this is all about. I did, however, explain it really well to the person that was putting those safety devices on the batteries so you just can't walk out the door. So hopefully she is able to answer the questions now, because I left. So now the ugly, and this is kind of depressing. So it seems that shrinkflation has rolled itself into Ryobi Days. So what do I mean? So last year, this was the $99 battery pack. You got 2 4 amp battery packs. Now the $199 battery pack last year was 2 6 amp battery packs. So if you remember what I said earlier, this year the $99 battery pack comes with 2 batteries, which is a 4 amp and a 2 amp, as compared to the 2 4 amp. And the $199 battery pack is now 2 4 amp batteries and a 2 amp instead of 2 6 amp batteries. So of course you still get the charger in both of them, so that's not terrible. But it just so appears that shrinkage is everywhere. So if you're heading up there thinking you're getting your 2 4 amp batteries that you're familiar with Ryobi Days, you're not. Or your 2 6 amp, again, you're not. All right, so keep that in mind when you go up there and you see you're getting a little bit less, again, for the same amount of money. But of course, you still get the free tool, so that should lighten the sting a little bit, hopefully. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new episodes as they become available. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So until next time, keep it safe.